So welcome aspiring home cooks to my cooking channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any exclusive recipes and videos. Today, God has blessed us a beautiful and recent vacation in Hong Kong. We had a lot of fun, we are blessed, we are happy, and we did enjoy everything with my family and relatives and family friends. So I didn't forget all about you guys, especially my cooking channel. Of course, here is your souvenir, a full HD tour in Dimsum Cafe at Hong Kong. So I hope you enjoy all about it. I did learn a lot of things from Chinese cuisine. So if you want to learn Chinese cuisine too, if you're eager, because Chinese cuisine is simply delicious, very outstanding, unique, and unusual to see, you must go to Hong Kong. Because if you're going to Chinatowns from other countries, that's not the general Chinese cuisine that you usually see, and it's not authentic. You must go to China, guys. If you really want to go there, you will learn a lot. And I hope you will enjoy this video because you would see different types of dim sums. And dim sum is usually originated in China, in most states like near at the southern part of China, like Guangzhou or the continent of Guangdong, Hong Kong, and especially an island that is full with Chinese people, it's Taiwan. So if you really want to go there, you must go if you have the means. So I hope you enjoyed this video. God bless you all, and let's go and watch it right now.